Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a beautiful pepper sauce for your choice of steak. This sauce is rich, creamy, but doesn't overwhelm the beautiful taste of the steak. To start, you need to finely dice 1 shallot, followed by 2 cloves of garlic. Next, you'll need your choice of steak. I've got a fantastic Scotch Fillet, seasoned with salt and pepper on all sides. Place a pan over high heat. Once it's really nice and hot, add some oil. I'm using canola oil as it has a high smoking point. Place the steak in the center of the pan. For a steak this thick, cook it for 3 minutes on each side for medium rare. Sear the steak on all sides before removing it from the pan. Place the steak on a plate and tent with foil. Deglaze the pan with white wine. You could also use beef stock, but I find it affects the flavour of the sauce. We want to use all those delicious steak bits that have been left in the pan. Add the diced shallots and garlic to the pan. Cook until the shallots and garlic begins to soften and brown. Add a few sticks of butter. Cook for 1 more minute. Add half a cup of white wine to the pan. Then 1 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir the pepper into the sauce. This will give the sauce a nice peppery flavour, but it won't overwhelm it. Then reduce by half. This will intensify the flavours. Once the sauce is reduced down, add half a cup of thickened cream. Stir the cream into the rest of the sauce. Simmer and reduce the sauce until it's thickened. For a little extra flavour, add the juice from the steak that's been resting. A good way of knowing when the sauce is ready is when it holds to the back of a spoon. All that's left to do is to serve it up. There you have it, a beautiful pepper sauce for your choice of steak. This creamy, peppery sauce has a great balance of flavour, but won't overwhelm that beautiful taste of the steak. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.